Samsung, a global leader in the smartphone industry, has once again raised the bar for mid-range smartphones with the release of the Samsung Galaxy A55. This latest addition to the Galaxy A series is designed to offer consumers a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. In this article, we'll delve into the exciting features and specifications of the Samsung Galaxy A55, highlighting what sets it apart in the highly competitive mid-range smartphone market. Design and build. The Samsung Galaxy A55 boasts a sleek and modern design that aligns with Samsung's commitment to quality and aesthetics. It features a premium build with glass on the front and back, framed by a sturdy metal chassis. The device is available in a range of stylish colors, catering to different style preferences. The phone's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and it remains relatively slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry and handle. Samsung has also included water and dust resistance, IP68 rating, providing peace of mind for users in various environments. Display excellence. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy A55 is its captivating display. The device features a large Super AMOLED Plus display with FHD Plus resolution. This results in vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent outdoor visibility. The screen-to-body ratio is impressive, thanks to slim bezels and a punch-hole camera design, which maximizes the screen real estate for an immersive viewing experience. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 is powered by a robust mid-range chipset that delivers smooth performance in everyday tasks and multitasking scenarios. It's well equipped to handle popular apps, gaming, and multimedia consumption. The device offers ample RAM and storage options, ensuring users have enough space for their apps, photos, and videos. Samsung has also integrated 5G connectivity into the Galaxy A55, making it future-proof and capable of delivering blazing fast download and upload speeds. Whether you're streaming high-definition content or participating in online gaming, the Galaxy A55's 5G support ensures a seamless experience. Camera system. The camera system on the Samsung Galaxy A55 is designed to capture life's moments with clarity and detail. The device features a versatile quad camera setup on the rear, including a high-resolution primary camera, an ultra-wide-angle lens, a macro lens, and a depth sensor. This combination allows users to explore their creativity and capture a wide range of subjects and scenes. The front-facing camera, located within the punch-hole cutout, delivers sharp and vibrant selfies. Samsung has also incorporated various AI-enhanced features and shooting modes to help users get the best results in different conditions. Software and features. The Samsung Galaxy A55 runs on the latest version of the Android operating system, complemented by Samsung's One UI Skin. This software combination provides a user-friendly and feature-rich experience. Users can enjoy features like enhanced multitasking, a dark mode, and a wide array of customization options to tailor the device to their preferences. Samsung has also included security features such as a fingerprint sensor and facial recognition for quick and secure access to the device. Additionally, regular software updates and support ensure that the Galaxy A55 remains up-to-date and secure. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is a testament to Samsung's commitment to offering premium smartphone experiences at accessible price points. With its impressive design, vibrant display, capable performance, versatile camera system, and future-ready 5G connectivity,